World genius. Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879, in Ulm, Germany, into a modest Jewish family. As a child, he was quiet and slow to speak, leading many teachers to believe he was not particularly bright. Yet behind that silence was a deep curiosity. At the age of 5, when his father gave him a compass, young Albert was fascinated by the invisible force that always pulled the needle north. That tiny instrument sparked a lifelong wonder about the hidden laws of the universe. Einstein was not fond of the rigid discipline of German schools. He disliked rote memorization and clashed with his teachers, who thought of him as rebellious. Eventually, he studied at the Swiss Federal Polytechnic in Zurich, Zurich, where he developed a passion for mathematics and physics. After graduation, he struggled to find a teaching job and instead worked at the Swiss Patent Office. Ironically, it was there, while reviewing inventions, that he did his most groundbreaking thinking. In 1905, later called his Annus Mirabilis, or Miracle Year, Einstein published 4 revolutionary scientific papers. Among them was the special theory of relativity, which introduced the world to the now famous equation E=mc². This idea showed that mass and energy are interchangeable, shaking the very foundations of physics and paving the way for modern science and technology. Einstein's reputation grew, and he became a professor in Germany. In 1921, he was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics for his explanation of the photoelectric effect, work that later laid the foundation for solar energy and modern electronics. But Einstein's life was shaped not only by science. As a Jew in Nazi Germany, he was forced to leave his homeland when Hitler rose to power. He moved to the United States and took a position at Princeton University. During World War II, despite his love for peace, Einstein co-signed a letter to President Franklin D. Roosevelt, warning about the possibility of Nazi Germany developing atomic weapons. That letter helped launch the Manhattan Project, which ultimately created the atomic bomb. In later years, Einstein expressed deep regret, becoming a strong advocate for peace and nuclear disarmament. Albert Einstein passed away on April 18, 1955, in Princeton. His brain was preserved for study, but his true legacy lives on in his ideas. More than just a scientist, Einstein became a symbol of imagination, courage, and the relentless pursuit of truth. His famous words remind us, imagination is more important than knowledge. For knowledge is limited, whereas imagination embraces the entire world.